Story Nest.
Okay, I will generate a series of at least 5 high-definition 16:9 1080p3 DHD 60 FPS animation-style images depicting Finn the fox and Lila the ladybug baking in their cozy kitchen and hosting a taste-testing party with their friends. The images will have a 1920x 1080 resolution and feature consistent characters throughout the story. Finn the fox, with his bushy orange tail wagging excitedly, carefully measured flour into a bright yellow mixing bowl, while Lila the ladybug, perched on the edge of the counter, added a sprinkle of sparkling sugar with her tiny black spotted wings. Sunlight streamed through the kitchen window, illuminating the colorful jars of sprinkles and the checkered tablecloth on the small wooden table. Lila, her red and black wings fluttering with anticipation, carefully poured a dollop of honey into the batter as Finn stirred everything together with a big wooden spoon. The aroma of vanilla and cinnamon began to fill the cozy kitchen, making their mouths water. With the batter smooth and ready, Finn carefully spooned it into colorful cupcake liners while Lila arranged juicy blueberries on top of each one. The oven hummed gently as the cupcakes baked, their sweet scent growing stronger with each passing minute. Once the cupcakes were golden brown and cooled on a wire rack, Finn and Lila frosted them with swirls of creamy frosting and decorated them with colorful sprinkles and candy flowers. Their friends Barnaby Bear, Rosie Rabbit and Sammy Squirrel arrived with wide smiles and empty tummies. The taste-testing party began with cheerful chatter and happy munching sounds as everyone sampled the delicious treats. Finn and Lila beamed with pride as their friends raved about the scrumptious cupcakes, the cozy kitchen filled with warmth, laughter, and the sweet smell of friendship.